Hello everyone. So today we're going to look at indices. Some of you may have already heard of indices and you might be quite happy with a lot of what we do, but let's have a look. Right, an indices means it's a power. A bit like you get a squared term, a cubed term, a power to the power of 4. Okay, so indices means that number, that power. So let's have a look at what we have. Let's suppose we had 9 to the power of 5. So the indices in this case is 5. So what this means is 9 times by itself 5 times. So this is me writing it out in full. Which is pretty straightforward. It's just taking 9 and timesing by itself 4 times. So what if they asked me to work out the value? So work out the value of 9 to the power of 5. What we need to do is we need to work out these calculations. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Now, you can make it a bit simpler by working out the first 9 times 9. Okay, so 9 times 9 is 81. And I'm timesing that by 9 times 9, which is 81. And then I'm timesing that answer by 9. That's the same as timesing 9 by itself 5 times. So what I could do now is work out what 81 times 81 is. And then take that answer and times it by 9. So that's what I'll do. 81 times by 81. 1 times 81 is 81. Then because I'm now using the 80, I put 0 there. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Right, let's add this together. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then I have the 6. So 81 times 81 is 6,561. And I need to times that by 9. Now I could write this out as I did with 81 times 81, but what I do know is 6,561 times 9 is 1 less of 6,561 when I times it by 10. So I'm going to times this by 10 and then take away one lot of 6,561. So what I've got is 65,610 take away 6,561. And that's the same as 10 lots take away 1 lot to get me 9 lots. 0 take away 1 can't do, so I'm going to borrow 1. 10 take away 1 is 9. Can't take 6 away from 0, so I'm going to borrow 1 and make it up to 10. So 10 take away 6 is 4. 5 take away 5 is 0. Can't take 6 away from 5, so I will borrow 1. 15 take away 6 is 9, and then I've just got 5. So the answer is 59,049, and that's 9 to the power of 5. Right, so that's me writing it out in full and then working out the value of a power, a number with a power. So let's have a look at something slightly different, which is negative indices. Suppose that power wasn't a positive number. There's not much difference, okay? And what the minus sign, suppose I have a number with a negative, the minus sign means divide, okay? And I'll show you what that means. So the kind of question you might get is evaluate 4 to the power of minus 3. So this minus sign means divide. So what I need to do is that it's not divide by 3 or it's not minus 12 or anything like that. What this means is I want to divide 1 by 4 to the power of 3. So basically I've dropped the minus sign and I've written it as 1 over 4 cubed, because if I drop the minus sign from 4 to the minus 3 I get 4 cubes. So this minus sign just means 1 divided by, okay? I think we can take this and simplify this. So 1 divided by 4 to the power of 3, that's the same as 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, because evaluate means write as a number. So in this case, it's going to be a fraction. So 4 times 4 is 16, times that by 4, I get 64. So we get 1 over 64. And that's your answer. Okay, so whenever you see a negative, it should be a 1 divided by. All right, and I'm pretty sure we can do that. I don't think that's too much trouble. 1 divided by, and then whatever's left, which is 4 to the power of 3, that goes on the bottom. Right, last little question. Right. So basically, I'm going to take this kind of question that I've just had, and I'm going to work backwards and put it into an indices form. Write 1 over 27 in the form 3 to the power of n. Now, n doesn't have to be a positive number. It could be a negative number. So how many times do I have to times 3 by itself to get 27? So let's have a look. 3 times 1 is 3, so the power is not 1, it's because it needs to be 27. 3 times 3 equals 9, so it's not 3 squared. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cubed. So 1 over 27 equals 1 over 3 cubed. And remember what this 1 divided by means. This means there's a negative in front of the power. So all I'm going to do is take away the 1 divided by and then put a negative in front of this power. So this is equal to 3 to the power of minus 3. So in this case, my n value, my number, is minus 3. And that's that. Right, have a go at some of the questions on the worksheet. Let me know how you get on. If you get stuck, if you're not, happy, good, right, that's fine. But yeah, make sure you email me if you get stuck. All right, bye.